Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So here's what Battle recently updated and they finally released the Jet Engine moveset. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so this is like 10-year either. Let me see what I can do. So I attack with my legs. Okay, how about this reciprocal assault? Okay, nice. Okay, turbine drive. Okay, I missed that. I'm not sure. Sound breaker. Yeah. Okay, let's see sound breaker. You. Okay, jet stream. You say I hold it. Oh, dang. Okay. Assault again. This is second. Hold it to the second charge. Turbine drive. Is there a close range move or what? Sound breaker. Move at the speed of sound, bro. Which which is very fast. Okay, I'm gonna hold this down to the very end. Whoa. Oh wait, yeah, she teleported behind. Hold this down to the very end. It just needs to do more damage. Okay, how about this turbine drive? Okay, sound breaker. This should be the finisher. Bro, I'm fast. Let's see the finishers for the others. B jet stream finisher. Oh, I took him away. Nice. Okay, next move. Okay, this is reciprocal assault finisher. Bara Jesus, that was cold. Alright, let's see the awakening. Let's see the awakening. More Kronos. Okay, turbo. These moves you need to aim them. Okay, let's see what Kronos does again. Kronos. Oh, 50, Mark 5. How about turbo release? Okay, nice. Okay, that's basically it for this update. They added a new guy called Human Architect, and he's actually just overhaul. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like. See you in the next video. Bye. You might be wondering why I'm in a private server, in a public server, but I wanted to just get one kill with this moveset before I end off the video. So let's get it. Okay, bro, I'm just seeing how they're killing people. I might actually just have to steal someone's kill. moveset? Oh, human architect. What the frick is this? This work portal? And my network is it him? Or me that's lagging? I'm not sure. Let's pause the play. He's still lagging for some reason. Oh, what is this? Leave me alone, bro. He's gonna kill me, for sure. Okay, I found some people. I'm gonna try steal this girl's kill. Okay, I got it. Got it. I'm out.